December 2024, I visited the capital city of the great Republic of Texas.
Bruh.
My journey to the city of Austin was a long one. I didn't go there to shoot videos hoping to increase my miserable YouTube subscription number. No. I'll explain the reason for my 5-day visit at the end of this video, but let's get started. Before landing at the airport, you are greeted by the mammoth Tesla factory, if you are seated by the window. The video may not show it, but trust me, it is huge. Austin's airport isn't big or small, crowded, but easy to move around. The weather was meh. I mean, it was winter, cold and rainy, but I didn't freeze to death, thankfully. Booked a room in northwestern Austin, slept like a monk, and then I was off. Now, Austin prides itself with their blend of country and weirdness, like this booze drive-thru which I had never seen before. Stuff like that doesn't exist where I come from. I'm a caveman.
Okay.
If there's one thing Austin stands out for, is the food.
Wow.
That pizza was to die for. If you ever go to Austin, downtown is a must-see. I can't even begin to tell you how many bars, restaurants, comedy clubs, theaters, and other fun locals there are to visit. I dined at Punch Bowl Social and later had a fine glass of Buck to the Future in the Roosevelt Room, where I felt smart and powerful among the Austinian elite. However, my favorite spot in that whole area was the state capitol. Absolutely marvelous. From outside in the front garden all the way into the pine, oak, and limestone halls. The entry was free of charge on a Sunday, and I burned enough calories walking up and down every accessible floor and room. Everything was so spotless and well preserved, it was like traveling across time to an era where architecture imparted respect for the law and the country. On my last day in Austin, I was taken to the city's western frontier, beyond the metropolis area, to a site called the Oasis. A compound of restaurants, colonial-style backdrops, among other attractions, nestled atop a hill overlooking Lake Travis. The view from this location is indescribably massive. And on a day that has fewer customers coming by, you can breathe peace and harmony, having a drink or a meal, while indulging in the panoramic view of the lake and the neighboring multi-million-dollar homes you and I will never afford. At least the women are gorgeous.
Are you serious?
Later in the afternoon, I needed some good old Texan barbecue, and there is one place known for its 19th century made recipe that still survives today in the County Line, also on the west side of Austin. The bread was the best I've ever had in my life. I had so much of it, I couldn't finish my barbecue chicken, the beans, or the baked potato. One more bite and it would have been gluttony. Texas has a lot of great barbecue restaurants, but the County Line takes the gold, both in food quality and the setting. So that essentially wraps up my Austin adventure. But the real reason behind my 5-day visit was highly personal. My cousin was on his final days. I had the opportunity to see him once more and spent considerable time with him, and he now rests in peace in a much better place. Even if I had to fly back home, I know for sure that I'm coming back, and hopefully very soon. I'm Don Luis Zavala. Thank you for your time.